Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. One hadith, one story. 3 men. Long, long ago, there lived 3 men. They belonged to the tribe of Bani Israel. These 3 men had 3 different problems. The first man was a leper. The second man was bald. And the third man was blind. The first man, who was a leper, was suffering from a skin disease that made ugly scars and wounds appear all over his body. People did not like to be around him so much. He was afraid to go down on the streets for kids who would make fun of him, and people would stay away.
Stay away, you leper!
They didn't want to catch his illness. The second man was bald. His head was shiny like the back of the spoon. When he saw the people around him, they all had nice hair of different colors: black, brown, red, blonde. Hair of different styles: curly, straight, frizzy, and spiky. But he had no hair at all. Hair would make him handsome and young. Hair would make him more confident. And the third man was blind. He could not see the colorful flowers. He could not see the blue sky. He could not see the green grass. He could not see anything at all. The only color he knew was black. And that made him quite sad. Each man had a wish. Allah sent one of His amazing angels to each of the 3 men. The angel came to the leper first and asked him, "What do you wish for? Can you please give me new smooth skin? People dislike me because of my bad skin." The angel touched the man, and as soon as he touched him, the illness went away by Allah's will. The man now had a healthy complexion and smooth skin. He looked handsome. No one would laugh or turn away from him. The angel asked again, "What kind of wealth do you want?" The man replied quickly, "Why, camels, of course." The angel gave him a mummy camel and prayed for him. "May Allah bless you in this." Next, the angel went to the bald man and asked him the same question. "What do you wish for?" The bald man got excited on seeing an angel. He immediately made his wish.
"Oh, I want hair, please."
The angel touched the man, and as soon as he touched him, the baldness went away by the will of Allah. The man now had beautiful, shiny hair to cover his head. The angel asked him again, "What wealth do you want?" The man replied, "I love cows." The angel gave him cows and prayed for him. "May Allah bless you in this." In the end, the angel went to the blind man and asked him, "What would you love to have most?" The blind man replied, "If only I could see again." The angel touched the man's eyes, and as soon as he did that, Allah returned the man's eyesight. He could see everything now. What a sight it was! Light burned his eyes at first. He had to peek through his lids till he got used to it. And now he can see the green grass, white, pink, yellow, purple flowers, pretty blue sky, with cotton candy cloud floating around like a froth of a milkshake. The blind man could not get enough of it. The angel questioned him again, "What wealth do you want?" Wasn't this gift enough? The man replied, "If you must ask, I like sheep." The angel gave him a mummy sheep and prayed for him. "May Allah bless you in this." Days, months, and years passed by. The leper's mummy camel gave birth to 2 baby camels. The 2 baby camels multiplied by 4. The 4 baby camels soon became 16. The camels gave babies after babies, and soon the whole valley got filled by camels. The same happened with the bald man's cows and the blind man's sheep. The 3 men lived a jolly, peaceful life. Then one day, Allah decided to test them and sent one of his angels to the 3 men. First, the angel disguised himself as a leper and went to the cured leper. He said to him, Alaikum. I am a poor traveler. I lost all my money and food. Please help me. Allah has given you gorgeous skin and lots of wealth. Please give me a camel for Allah's sake so I can go home too. The leper scoffed at the disguised angel and said, I have my own family to feed. Go away, you ugly being! How mean! The angel said, I think I know you. Were you not the leper, disliked by the people? Weren't you a poor, desperate man? And then Allah made you rich. The man replied, No way! Everything I have came to me from my father and grandfather. The angel said, If you're telling me a lie, then let Allah make you like you used to be. Of course that was a lie. And guess what? The man became leper again. Scars and wounds started appearing on his body, and camels and wealth vanished away. The leper was unhappy and miserable once again. Then the angel disguised himself as a bald person and went to the cured bald man. The bald man treated him rudely too and lied how he got his wealth. If you are telling me a lie, then let Allah make you like you were before. All his beautiful hair started falling and he became bald again. His enormous herd of cows and bulls also disappeared. After that, the angel disguised himself as a blind person and went to the cured blind man. He begged to him just like he had, unlike the other men. The cured blind man was a good man. He was kind and grateful. He used to thank Allah and praise Him for all the gifts he had gotten. He spoke kindly and said, You are absolutely right. I was blind, and then Allah gave me back my eyesight. I was needy and poor, but Allah gave me wealth and made me rich. Please take whatever you wish. I would be pleased to serve you. The angel replied, I don't want anything from you. You are simply being tested by Allah. Allah is pleased with you and is unhappy with both of your companions. So the cured blind man got to keep all his wealth. He was always grateful to Allah and kind to the needy and poor. Allah was pleased with him and he lived happily ever after.